This little project is to show you how a reefer battery comes to the rescue. Here's a couple of things that we're using for this project. The crimps, wire butt connectors for the batteries, 2-gauge wire, and that wire cover thingy. Now my truck took 24 feet. It may take more or less for yours depending on the distance of the batteries. This is 2-gauge copper wiring, 24 feet of it, 12 for each side. Now that's my boy Bob working on this project. He gets a thrill out of doing this. Watch him go to work. That's to connect the batteries. Nice. They ain't teach you this all day, bro. You gotta learn it. Sweet. This is the on and off switch that's being installed on the outside of the reefer battery. Now the batteries are being connected from the reefer battery to the tractor battery and vice versa. In the event that the tractor has lost power, turn on the reefer switch and voila, back in business. Do not forget to turn it back to the off position when done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like and share.
Like my husband always says,
I'm busy.